Evicting Oromo farmers from their land. The Addis Ababa master plan is a genocide plan. Stop killing Oromo people. Stop killing Oromo students. No justice, freedom, Oromia. No justice, freedom, in Oromia. No justice, Ethiopia. Justice, liberty for the Oromo people. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop killing our land to China. Stop killing our brothers, our children. Respect freedom of assembly. Ethiopia government. Respect freedom of speech. Freedom of assembly. Ethiopia government. Stop killing our students. Oromo students. Bring apartheid. International Criminal Court. To the International Criminal Court. Bring killers of Oromo students to the International Criminal Court. Stop killing